Have you ever wondered why you buy one brand of chips over another? Or why some songs, games, or sneakers suddenly become super popular? Well, that's the power of marketing. It's all about making people notice, like, and buy things. Let's break it down and learn the secrets behind smart marketing. What is marketing? According to the American Marketing Association, marketing is the activity set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value. In simpler words, marketing is how a business tells the world about what it sells and why people should buy it. Whether it's a new iPhone or a chocolate bar, marketing helps it stand out. The 4 Ps of marketing. Let's talk about the 4 magic tools in marketing. They're called the 4 Ps. Product. What are you selling? Example, a tasty new pizza. Price, how much does it cost? Low price for students, higher for luxury. Place, where can people buy it? In stores, online, food truck? Promotion, how will you tell people? Posters, social media, funny videos. These 4 Ps help a business reach the right people at the right time in the right way. What are marketing strategies? A marketing strategy is a plan to attract customers and keep them coming back. Here are some smart strategies. Social media marketing, showing off your product on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Influencer marketing, asking famous people to recommend your product. Discounts and offers, buy one, get one free. Storytelling, sharing cool stories behind your product. Example, Coca-Cola adds names on bottles so people look for their own. It's fun and personal. Philip Kotler, known as the father of modern marketing, once said, "Marketing is not the art of finding clever ways to dispose of what you make. It is the art of creating genuine customer value." This means good marketing is about helping people, not tricking them. Why study marketing? Today, marketing is everywhere, from TV ads to memes to YouTube shorts. If you understand marketing, you can start a business, sell your art, even promote yourself for a job. It's a superpower in the modern world. So next time you see an ad or buy something new, ask yourself, what marketing trick worked on me? If you want to learn more marketing secrets, subscribe to this channel because we'll be dropping fun, fast, and smart business videos every week.